Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw Black Manta. Black Manta is the arch nemesis in the Aquaman storyline of books, and he has had a few different forms, say, of his suit itself. So nice big oval to start off everything. The collar structure is here, in case you're wondering. I know that's a very big head, but that is, you could say it's a somewhat corny, but also in a way that with the recent upgrades, it's a very cool aspect of the character, the way they've updated it. So he wears a power suit most of the times, or at least when he is in conflict with Aquaman, and so we are just going to put in some nice armor kind of details. See that it's very easy to draw a armor suit character other than Aquaman, other than Iron Man, sorry, with some subtle points here and there. You could really make this work, whether it's color, whether it's black and white. We are doing a black and white right now, but if you wish to do a color, that's also an almost easy practice and quick, because essentially we are looking at this as a sketch. Now, Black Manta, the advantage that you have is unless you're basing your artwork on a very, very particular and very dated version, in those versions the uniform was more particular, but here in this case the uniform is not really particular, and you could really have fun playing around with this guy's suit of armor. Now essentially Black Manta is also how should I put it? His alter ego is David Hyde. His name is David Hyde, and he was co-created by Bob Haney, who was very instrumental in creating some key characters like Metamorpho, the classic Eclipso, and then some characters of the Teen Titans. And he had a very corny design at the beginning, but just because of that big head he had on top, and then pretty much a flat out, I guess it was just they were fatigues. But as mentioned earlier, recently with the suit upgrades, everything eventually in pop culture, I guess, and particularly more so in comics, whether it is a costume, whether it is a suit, get updated. And sometimes, of course, there's the occasional throwback to the older styles. So what we're just doing is having some fun with the armor right here. And the way it works is that if you can make it as detailed as possible, it's just going to be a little helpful in putting down the tones and fills. So Black Manta has been the arch nemesis to Aquaman for a long time, and actually has even been more effective than some overly powerful characters in that series. He's caused like some genuine harm to Aquaman over the years. He's one of my favorite characters. He's this undersea terrorist sort of thing. I guess because he does not really respect Aquaman's lineage due to there's like different versions there. For instance, recently the one that happened in the movie is that because of the loss of his father, well, they are essentially pirates. He's a deep sea pirate, and he does not hesitate to kill, whether it's like something that is dear to Aquaman, and that includes marine life. I guess he is somewhat adamant in preservation of marine life in some cases, but in most cases not quite. So we've just put in some details for the armor, and what we're just going to do from this point onward is just flesh out the details as we go, and then you will see that it will be very easy to do some core fills and get this design working for us. So please keep posted. We will probably speed up the video, and we will try to make it as easy as we can with a step-by-step. So please keep posted as we quickly finish this off.